Okay, we're documenting the city of Macau. This is called Avenida de Almeida, Ribeiro. We're walking in this typhoon rain, which is the backside of it, so it's safe, but we're gonna walk it. Okay. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Avenida de Almeida, Ribeiro. This is a main street. It goes right down to some casinos down here. It's also the Typhoon Lion Rock. Pretty cool name for a typhoon, by the way. Is hitting Macau today. So when this is being filmed, that's what's happening. I don't know when the film will go up. Probably a week later. I got other ones to go up before this one. And basically what I do is I just document different streets. So this is one of the main streets that goes down between Senado Square and there's a Jollibee's right there, and it goes down to Lisboa casinos in a little area like that. Over there is a Cathedral Cafe, which is like straight up that way. Getting a lot of rain, so we're gonna try not to go too fast here. I mean, we're gonna try to stay dry, and now we can stay dry because we have this rain guard. Got some beautiful streets here too. Yeah, this is beautiful at nighttime especially. You got your Jollibee's right there. They got some pretty prime real estate, so they basically have all these windows here and they overlook different sides, plus the glass goes a certain way that you can overlook it, and that's also part of Jollibee's over there too. So yeah, they're right here on Almeida, Ribeiro, Avenida Almeida Ribeiro. Okay, so let's keep on walking down. It's a Typhoon Lion Rock. It's category 3 as well. It's also nighttime. It's about 6:30 p.m. or so, something like that. And lighting is amazing. So it's a great day, great moment to film right now. They're talking about something called blue storm surge. There's storm surge comes in, which means flooding whenever there's a typhoon, and today is a typhoon day. So I haven't seen much flooding in the areas that I'm walking around, but this is not a known flooding area anyways that I'm in. This is one of the main roads, and it's pretty cool. You got this Portuguese, like a little Times Square kind of feeling right there, right? A little bit of traffic, angry cars. There's what's behind us right there. And we are going to go this way. We're gonna walk down that way, and we're gonna be walking down this way, and we basically just came down that road right there, and I think that the road changes when we get over here. I think it's a different name, so we'll find that out in a minute as well, but at the moment we have to wait for the lights, so try to see if we can so yeah, that's our street right there, and while we're waiting, we'll just kind of see if we can film a little bit. Bank of China, I believe that is. And that's kind of like that Times Square kind of thing right there. Then we are going to try to continue down our street in a minute. But kind of wait until all these people go by. So, okay. Okay, so now we can kind of catch this green light, if possible. It just turned red, and now we're caught in the middle. Let's kind of go under this tree a little bit, try to stay dry. So yeah, we're kind of nice lighting right now too, right? Yeah, we could have been right under, we could have stayed right under there. The lighting, actually, the red lights is not very good for this spot because it always stops you about midway through. So it's a little bit of a tough one to get across. Lighting is amazing though. Oops, just bumped my camera there. Got a mosquito. Okay, we got a car that's gonna stop. That means that we're gonna get a green light. So now we can go. So I think that our road is gonna change here. So let's just see what happens here. So I think this is going to change to a different street, but we'll see in a minute. If it does, I think we'll just keep filming anyways because we have some nice rain guards, and it's kind of part of an extension of that same street anyways. That side is the rainy side and this is the dry side. I'm pretty wet already, so I don't mind if I get more wet at this point. We're also looking for street signs. I don't see any of those yet either. Okay, so let's get across here. They're selling, that's always a pretty popular place actually. And did I get a little bit of rain in here? I think I did. If I got the rain, then I don't know where that camera is exactly. But now we're on Avenida de Infante Enrique, so that is a new street. So that was the street that we just went on, and then this is a little bit of a new, different one. Now I can see the street sign right there. But I think we're gonna go down just a little bit further anyways, just so that you can kind of see how the city is connected and what it looks like. Got a big bus stop right here. I'm gonna walk all the way through this one. I hear a siren, ambulance. Okay, let's keep on strolling here. Nice street, nice time of night. I think a little bit later it'll be too dark to film anymore, so it's good that we got this filmed. Just kind of go through here a little bit. She got me with an umbrella. Just trying to get between there, and we got the umbrella to the elbow. It's all right. Okay, so this would be kind of the end of this street, which is actually more like two streets. So you got a rain guard, so we'll just kind of capture it like that. And then you can see all the way down this way is also tiled black and white as well. It goes all the way down that way. And that's the street that we were just on. Nice little street here. Okay, hope you like that one as well. Chiquinha.